We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.
After all these things, this is another story that's making headlines. Very, very important story. And it's got to do with Komfanochi Teaching Hospital in Sama Esuo. Komfanochi Teaching Hospital crisis deepens as nurses and midwives join strike over CEO suspension. Now, as I see Komfanochi Kumasi, the teaching hospital, no. Now, they could see any and say, yes, see emergency ward, no. Na mano, what happened? And they say the CEO of Komfanochi basically patients to be distributing other hospitals. But it drew point to be now to say the emergency center no I cannot take any more patients. Into what the CEO did was say he basically started driving away other patients are no more here help. Now when say a few weeks ago incidents ABC around the nation, and we have all come to that conclusion, say, when it comes to health facilities nationwide, you are a witness, I am a witness, say, we still need to expand our facilities, hospitals, clinics around the nation. The OCCR is not sufficient to basically service every Ghanaian, and most of us who need that service. Now, a same way, a few weeks ago, ABC Ghana, Emma hospitals be driving away patients, nipana Sibu, you drive your way no, do no FMU. Into Emma president no issue directive. Say it does not matter whether the hospital is overbooked or whatever you want to say, it's overloaded, whether the hospital is full, the leadership of these hospitals should make a way to save a life. It does not matter because we have all come to admit to say a deficiency when it comes to health facilities in the nation. Everywhere in this country, Obianim say hospitals not enough. For the past 8 years, since Kufuor about power from 2016 to 2017 January to 2024, 2025 January. Nana Danko Kufuor MPP, they could not build one regional hospital to augment or expand our health facilities around one hospital. For 8 years, Nana Danko Kufuor Bawumia, they could not retool any district hospital, regional hospital, even chip compounds. They could not retool any of them. So you can see, say, for 8 years, there's been a big gap. There's a big gap, a deficit when it comes to health facilities. I will say, the whole country. So to me, I feel, say, when a directive comes from the president who is your employer, remember, the health ministry and your health minister, no, and I employ any medical professional. The government appoints. So the health minister has always also been appointed by the president. And the president of the republic has the right to fire and hire at any time. So when the president of the republic comes out and gives a strong directive that it does not matter your facility, it does not matter. The life of a Ghanaian is important than anything else. You can. That is why I cannot be CEO of Komfanochi. That is why I cannot be CEO of Kolebu. That's why I cannot be CEO of Tamale Teaching Hospital. That is why some people have been given that work to do. That is why some people are paid huge amount of money every month. That's why some people get some perks that I can't get because we see them say they can take care of some tasks I cannot take care of in the professional field. For you to be appointed as the CEO of a facility, you need to understand it comes with a lot of responsibilities. Decisions that at the end of the day, you might not want to take, but have to take. And at the end of the day, the most important thing that your employer, at the end of the day, whatever instruction he gives you, you need to follow it. That is how it works. Because you, the CEO of whatever institution or government institution, wafa obi was as a supervisor, no, they are also telling the people beneath them, their subordinates, that boss will not allow me to work if this thing is not done. And so we need to understand to say, when your employer gives you directive, especially when it comes to saving life, there are no options. You need to improvise. That is a fact. And it's done everywhere in the world. All CEOs are not happy. All managers are not happy. Some people do not like their jobs because they are expecting the bigger bosses to make sure everything comes at once, but it does not work like that. Those people at the end of the day are still supposed to meet their target. So when they make you CEO of Komfanochi Teaching Hospital, which you yourself as a medical professional, you know what Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, the kind of things going on there, the weight of the pressure on the hospital. You need to understand that you are coming to inherit problems that need big brains to solve. So it is not a walk in the park. And you'll be able to be Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, Amano. Especially when the president gives a directive, that directive needs to be respected. Especially when we live in a country where you, the health professional who has been made the CEO of Konfanochi, you know for the past 8 years, no, the government that left office could not expand Konfanochi, could not even open Sewia, open Kumewu or Afare for other patients to visit. So you know we are constrained. We are in a system where it is difficult for anybody at the end of the day to live with, but we have to compromise. Now, the CEO of Konfanochi, Efili, said he could take decisions against the directive of his employer. So yati yano na patients be also omoba ehono CEO ne hospital no facility no say be say ayamo say so into some of the patients to just go home and die. Now that actually triggered the ACC nyina ena the health minister no extra letter ekoma the CEO say you need to step aside for people who can basically hold the bull by the horn and take some decisions at the end of the day. We all will know, say, it's not easy, but tough decision. Remember, Ankobienya and Kobeko Hospital na nimpesiwo. Obienya and Kobeko Hospital and Kason in Sim, near the Nako share a one room, or Nonkwana da, or Nankwana or Waba, but it does not work like that. That is why when people are being selected as leaders of regional hospitals, it's not just your qualification. There are some things, yes, and appointment, administrative wise. Are you good? Your human relations, can you think on your feet? Can you basically make the patient your priority? Can you improvise? These are some of the things when you go for interviews, you say to justify that you are better than your colleague. Inti said the car nisha winsem. Now when you say car na the common air trotro, one him say trotro ago. But when him say trotro ya the agui, so won't to me find yejuma, and this will catch a car driver and say, met to me the yejuma because one. When you say trotro no condition in ye. But to call driver no kojiki no catch and say, oh, minim say car ye I go asering in ago. Sebio you so to cry a new room and so me the bay juma. Dear intin our casa, Oma own and say. As far as why ready so obey jumano, obey improvise and make it as a cano, and you may any sika ye the bay a juma ya bayano and home for so that the bay cano a year and body works there. Then you have to admit, say, I was so you know I am running kina. Do not complain, say you run it wedding. Because Obacano, now the condition is what that. You saw how the car looked. Yeah, before we said we are CEO of Konfanochi. You knew what Konfanochi, the problem Konfanochi na FM. You are not new to this. You are not new to this. You got all the accolades. People started cheering you on. Their job is in your front. So at the end of the day, I don't expect you, the CEO, to make it look like, Sebio, you didn't know what you were coming to meet. You knew it from day one. You knew it. That is why because we all knew the problem. The idea for all you know, you have even worked there before and you know. You were not supposed to take the job. So why do you today, Matisa, say, abino through the Ministry of Health, Akache CEO say, on chain, na yempe solution to the problem, because it looks like he does not have any solution to the problem now. Nobody is saying Konfanochi is perfect. Everything is perfect. But if you're a CEO and you cannot improvise, you cannot basically think on your feet and make some decisions, then it means to say, if you are going, the only solution is to drive patients away to go die there. Then we bring somebody in who can at least move things around and save lives, because with healthcare, it's all about life saving. That is the most important thing. In Chaban said, Jinanchain, it looks like, say, you are not prepared. Because time and about the question of Konfanochi, none him say, and yet Golden Tulip Hotel. You know, the Konfanochi has its own problems. And this was going to happen. And for you to say, oh, wait there, and some doctors suspended Konfanochi Teaching Hospital CEO appeals to striking doctors, nurses, and midwives to resume work. Yes, see. President directive Omaye CEO in this through the Ministry of Health yaka say on tonight chen kakra no yes nurses are more hospital ho any doctors almost so they aqua strike. You see, sometimes and they be anu busa who say some nurses with the doctors we know. It is only in Ghana. And I'll bet you say abaya otonensa and I say or employ a CEO. Abandon our problem and I say abandon no cancer na nurses and doctors. And you see, sadly way across the power confonochi pa. So Osha Ghana, your regional hospitals are confonochi be a political hospital. And I'll say this without mentioning any words. The media in Kumasi, anytime you will be as the CEO of Confonochi, na omudi bibia kotare no ho se odumfo ba. Oh, ye nana, eno ye jumama no, ena ye nana nti. Enti more people omeba Kumasi, amba be jumo eye Confonochi as the CEO no. Now they feel more entitled. I know my dream you almost say e otumfo na for omujuma. No, I'm being realistic. And you see, it is not their fault. The reason is that they fall for the media trick. When they go to Kumasi and they are given a job as the CEO of Confonochi, now the media in Kumasi, no, they create the impression, no, they are told to say you are working for 2-4. It's whenever there's an issue at Confonochi, now say people raise the issue up. What the media does in Kumasi say, they basically drag the person on. Then you hear the argument, say, oh, yenana as a penasem, yenana nim sa brantewe, yenana anyone who, then it looks like say abina on what tiakwa we can abina Jimmy for. That is my problem with all the people who have been made CEO of Confonochi. It is a utie argument here. Now we hear some of the Akan media, especially Kumasi boys and girls now, comedy on radio now. The argument is that Adentina opem so CEO was antimemu. Na CEO no opem so akuma dan so na minister na eye rooted eye CEO no I na de bia me bon pa say mom branch am TV so no radio so Kumasi no saa de na decision na papa we take ye say ye ntumi for obia we emergency ka mbo na emfa nko na nurse mi kan say CEO say ye ntumi hwaw na ko I pray mo na muti radio so ka say ai we de we opem so penasem na no CEO has been employed by 2472. 2472 does not have any power to employ any CEO or Confonochi. It's a fact. People come as CEO and they pay homage to 24 because a whole 240. But nobody should get in their head and say any CEO of Kumasi a Confonochi, no, that person works for 24. The fact of the case is a directive was given. If you're a medical professional, what you need to do first is to save a life. It does not matter. Even in the military, they tell you, saving your colleague's life is the most important thing. The most important thing here is that directive na dahono asimesi di swana. When this has got nothing to do with 2-4. Because at the end of the month, you know, Nipana Otia we can know 2-4 the Tianeka. The government of Ghana, the president, the accountant general. If this guy comes out to say you Tianeka, you people go around and say, abani phone, President Mahama Ntiaka, atofos na fasika, but enkwasa semu sine ye tiani pa, musi otumfo ba, ena bram tani de, otumpo, adentina semu si otumfo ntianeka. Adentina bosume ndia, papa we onko otumfo onko jene salary. Adentina semu siya, konfanoche ni eti kromu ha. Suddenly, mini anoma kan form wo Kumasi Asantefo dodo no hey ena Confonochi no aban be ye niye ena emergency center oh really yenim ade ye yenim say o say bibi wo ho ye niye yenim say o say hospital I didn't know say mumu Asantefo bi na unim say hospital infa so wo so na minim say mumu Asantefo ni bi mo amugu Kumasi no na minim say mumu dodo na munim say hospital infa so wo so na ka obokwa me kwa aten a hospital ne beje ne nkwa Yatiana mo flag bearer catcher say he would choose Ghana card over interchange and a facility like a hospital. Ni anti groma. Oh, suddenly, many animals antifoni be almost antimemono. A hospital aye infaso ade here. Ni anti Ghana. And I yanka so 2-4. Ebebu nkotodwe e woni penim se ojeje 1 city or pese odikosi hospital. Na murevi. Muna debia mama ye kam asem. Sasem bedawa ne ye ka na mo amaju se yenyina ye jimi ye nim nyansa intende okọ Ghana Kumasi radio so an na aban no bemesi hospital na nka hospital aban si ya empete Tell my MPP so 8 years. 8 solid years. We sat on these platforms. Different people were saying, Monkasana Ekufuado Achichide Jimmy Fono, operationalize Eyadi and Sewia and Yafari. Mumu Binkwasiafo di Yatam. And most of the Confonoche, I hire man to me and new patient. We need to take new patients. Yes. So on said, Debia Kabi Bichra Mumubi na, Yakasa Mumubi, MPP Jimmy Mu, I'm just see a time. MPP Jimmy Mumubi. Nobody can bring Otunfo into this matter as far as I live. No. Otunfo didn't hear. Otunfo ontia any public servant ka. Say if I be a Juma or Asantimemu minister, MCU, CEO, respectful to just go to Otunfo and say, Yasumami wa hasem mbedi Juma. Otunfo has no right to pay anybody because Otunfo is the government of Ghana. And we need to set that record straight. This man went against the directive of the President of the Republic. The President's priority is that every person who works in the hospital should be saved. The President knows for a fact that our facilities, our health facilities, our deficiencies, we don't have enough. But the President will not compromise that and say, because your hospitals are not enough, Ghana near Otua taxes, Ghana near Otua Bamia Yino, Ghana Niniba, O Person say on Sanko Fiunku. It will never happen. Because we have spoken about this for years, and some of you people deliberately, Jimmy, I didn't think a infrastructure asem, I didn't think a hospital asem, I didn't think a Yabuse Kufu de Bawumia say, Omunyawe, ye refi say Ebeba Bekanye, a year ba, Mubekwe ye bebebewu, Yadumako. We're keeping it back, Mubechim Kwasia, car, Bebrebenya accident, Yadumako, Mumudu, because you don't prioritize anything. The Amupa, Mumubi, Gele, T-shirt, and Kwasiamo, and Mwasibi, near the Amamubi Numwedi. This guy has gone against the law. Now, Sebio, and Yawo, and I don't call her. You can't say a 2 emergency in winter. Or the only say a politics as usual. Near to Chrome 20. Come. Near to Chrome Ekufuado commissions 250-bed Ashanti Regional Hospital in Sewia. Now the Danko Ekufuado Tira Power from January 2017. January 7, 2017. Otena Power Sewia any Afari. Eguwa. Nanado Danko Ekufuado tie kwasiafo. 250-bed Ashanti Regional Hospital. NDC in the sea. And at 2016, Ekufuado Bar Power say be a gate no. So generator no. Mondo do grass neufunu na hospital in Juma. Nanado Danko Ekufuado Bawumia Bar Power January 2017. January 7th. Nanado Danko Ekufuado. Eka 2 days na yako swe in John Mahama in 2025. And now Ekufuado say wako be a Sewia Regional Hospital. Ashanti Regional Hospital. Nanado Danko Ekufuado Tena Power. 8 years. Now I 4 days, so say 2 days. This on the 6th of January. Nana Ekufuado on the 5th of January 2025. And also Okobi Ashanti Regional Hospital. Na munyina muguwa munyina mu say the hospital is still not ready. Na hospital no kanye ni ho. Hospital no ye ndo ho. Hospital no ye mbie ye bibie no chese hospital. Nana Danko Ekufuado eka 1 day me akoto aba no so akọ commission. This is the video. Kwasiafo ye kasana makofa ye mfo tu for metare ho se na be di nkwasema into. This is Ekufuado on the 5th of January 2025. Aka 1 day no free power. And of course, we say we be hospital. And ordinary didn't go carry home. Kwasiafo.
Actually, there's nothing here. It's not like construction. There's no equipment to show you how it's operating and how they receive. The guy is still even fixing this place. So I appreciate how you receive the body, how you prepare, how you store, how you give back to the family. Is this where the equipment uniform to do any? But why is the wall? Are you going to steal this one?
Yes. So it's part of the document. Once they bring then you to cover here in this later.
So what's the purpose of
This is the Syria Hospital Ekufuado commissioned. On NDC about power, and also inspect it. Hospital Ekufuado so a commission. That is the hospital he commissioned. I can't know. That is the hospital Ekufuado commissioned. One room no mupenti ye. And Ekufuado ko try. We are not doing ko kwasiafo. These are the things we need to speak on. Yo asanti memoir. The plaque was unveiled by His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo in the occasion of the blah 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 nonsense on the 4th of January 2025. And the bohono. Regional Hospital no Akufo-Addo anye. Eka one day on the 4th na aka 3 days ne yako swear injure Mahama. And Akufo-Addo ko Kumasi. And the plaque ko boho. And sa video na mreche ono eno ne Adio Mokoto ya Mahama mobile power. That is the hospital Akufo-Addo so a commission. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Na metialam kaso we penyini Jimmy Fua na obu ofu. Onimi nyansa wo se medidi penyini atem. That is the Akufo-Addo. Oh day I call commission here January 4th 2025. January 7th na ye swear in John Mahama. And the Dugumasi ATM ama yenya nurse fo bi say we are on strike. Mama lucky. Say nyame na me health minister. And come up check roster and ko bia be ko fie obodam na credit no president the authority ana penyini ni ho abra the CEO he can also sack somebody from the hospital. My lucky say me menye health minister and kamu nyina kan ko fie because there are more people at home, more doctors who want work to do. San kwasi ade na some sense of entitlement abehwe health professionals bi mu nipa na ya for the juma no now CEO no ba na onimu no. Do you know the CEO? You the nurse, you the doctor working there. Udin Kwasiasemo Hospital, this same CEO will sack you. That guy has gone against the directive. Say, Juman on to me, nya. He was supposed to tell the health minister, I'm sorry, I cannot do this job. Resign and work. Sana brofonia de debia. Juma won't me, no. You do what? You resign and you work. 250 beds, Syria Regional Hospital expected to be completed before the end of this year. I think the NDC for buying person and completed Syria. Akufo-Addo left Syria to rot. January na aka 3 days me aswa John Mahama yin okwo Kumasi. Mumbusa nkwasiafo no bi na mutiti radio say ye ntiase na CEO no me CEO no why like nkame ankama pam no. Enti moyem argument make the argument and take out Otumfo and Otumfo penasem and Otumfo ti obi ka Ghana. Otumfo wetia obi ka Ghana as a worker. It is hard, Ghana midwives and nurses. We are also going to go on strike. Massa, sa abroche. Da ben na mo amochi abroche. Mo say apam si obi. Ema worker bi so okọ strike. What be that? Then ni ejimintira. Yana yaman kwasiasfo bi edin kwasasem wo Ghana ntira. Da ben na wote say abroche kuro bia so CEO bi nipa na oha no say o man nkotena nchen na investigation a wo say CEO no yeso nkotena fie nti ubu ofu nya adwuma. Kwasiasem what be way? Enkwasiasem way, this enkwasiasem way, what be way? This kind of enkwasiasem say nipa na ofa CEO na dwuma no. O se CEO na bibia enso ni into onkotena fie na nhwehwe ma wo se wo so ko strike. Kwasiafo, Mr. Minister, there are so many nurses at home. Me, I wish every nurse in Ghana onye dwuma ye. San kwasiafo di bi no mugu konfo no chom so ko strike no. Sack them. Sir, politics of, you see, let me please you. What a hana free, or a nurse ni. Now, Mamaka be in Chiramu. Now, Debian and headmaster D, and I can teach us cost strike and get to Groma. Ah? So, headmaster Biko ABB, now I can chena swan. Yes, the teacher for say, we are going on strike. It needs to end. And the people doing that, the Ghana Registered Nurses and Bullshit Association, Sankwasi Association, they are not there to protect the nurses, to make sure you're fine. The only ya ni politics ni, you mean ya kando, you be good anymore say, me a health minister. Can nurse be one be juma or conformation? I will sack you. Because Ghana, we are not in need of nurses, so we have a lot of nurses at home. We have a lot of doctors at home. We have a lot of professionals waiting to get employed. It is ankwasi ade bro ni kromo tumi nyo. Say ye CEO no, na CEO no obe dwana wo ho. Onefa odwuma. Nipa na ofa CEO na dwuma nsem you. So who are you to say you are going on strike? Do you know what happens up there? enti ye jiminti na ye nye adwuma ni wiane adane kwasiafo. Oh, we want jobs, we want to work, CEO ni CV ye ni interview na wo ho. The CEO ye interview CEO now what will be. You came to work as a professional. You were juma. Now say ejuma na a association, and I say a daba, and I say a kuo dia. Mama you say a makuo, a mema kuo. Ni you say afa treat mu as their group upon groups. But the foolishness of these some of these nurses and doctors, the sense of entitlement. As a muni answer. Now the question here is, CEO na block emergency. Say, why a man to be a ma? And I'm most mu Jimmy someone call hospital. And the omwa yedi omoba yedi omko back omo no one ye blame no one cause the death. Abrochira and majority of you these nurses and doctors and most of you go to jail because it is pure negligence. What is your basis for staying home? My basis for staying home or driving away the patients is because my CEO has been told to step aside. Kwasia, you'll be sacked the same day. What is your basis for staying home? What is your basis for not working? My basis for not working is that the CEO, I think that the health minister doesn't like him, so I'm also not going to work. Go and check your oath. Go and check a human found documentation about DNA. Are you working for the CEO or you are working for the government of Ghana? You are working for the people of Ghana. So go back with your dirty asses and go work. Won't you mean resign and go to UK and go clean white women's asses? Because therefore, what is Ghana? The mama Juma Kakrasa Munya, number some hand tiny paso. Mukwa brocha nkwasi adwuma na moye motiti bini mo beduru Ghana na mabekanta ni paso yenimu. Most of you mo ba brocha mo ntumi nya adwuma e che mo sakoya another course near realize mo ye nipa obetuma adwuma. You sit in Ghana, we give you all the privileges, we try our best to help you people. Munya adwuma na moni atare moni so na mo kan kwasi asem. Doctors bebre wo Ghana abrocha mo ntumi nya doctors. It's a fact. San kwasi ade na mumubi you don't read your job. You don't read anything. Yeah, the people shows are not assigned. And most of you come in here, health minister, and can come up pamumunina. Now, ya pamumwa 100,000. You bring 100,000 as zomtifine. Yes. Now Ghana ni ejimintra, we make some of you people feel say you are too powerful. Most of you, mutu kwa every Ghana, muntu minjejuma hospital. Yana sebio yejimi kakra, eni yesu somoso. Anytime people say, and there's obi wu, ye di obi ba emergency na, ye ntumi anjeni kwa no wuwa, wane kunu, eya wu. Negligence, straightforward. The government is dealing with the CEO. His issue is different. What about you? You need to do your job. CEO nintina about conformachi. CEO nintina oba hospital juem. CEO nintina oba salary. You are not working for the CEO. You are working for the government of Ghana through the Ministry of Health. So your job is to make sure you save lives. Whatever the CEO is going through, it's his problem, not your fucking problem. Niya Ghana registered nurses. Sa kwasi afo na mo say krono. Ye hu mu abrochiri mo bedru abrocha ma say slaves mo ye adwuma say moa na mo tete Ghana pandia nkwa na mutumi bo ene kwa na kwa mutumi mbo lazy fun ena bandage tantan bi mo nya adwuma no so no wo ye adwuma ma si wara so wo ye adwuma ma Ghana ban CEO de tuaoka. Are you paid by the CEO? Edian kwasi asem no we are not going to work because they have taken our CEO. Ada mo ne boy jantra na ono moda. Is he running the brothel there? Or run a jantra for school? You are a nurse, you are a professional. Your job is to do your job. His job, or not nipa for the job on the deal. Is it your problem? I don't know, move be Jimmy sir. Mumbra broche, move a broche myself moi. A form a man for Finamo partisan gramine. Ghana, you treat him with nipa, your mama respect. Now, we see the kind of attitude that some of you nurses and doctors you give people in the hospitals. Yeah, who need they be? Sanke the ethics na yemo djuma na kamu nyina kamu titifie ye hwe adwuma no rules anka mo bebre 90% kamu gufie inti ayana sometimes mo bi munya nyansa kakra na jimi ne doso wadwa obetuatia NDC na ndisi mapadia. I don't fucking care. I am telling you the hard truth. If you don't want to work, get out of here. People are home. A man for a demonstration, a man for su, a man for here juma. When you juma ni bi also Jimmy, ya tia me see o ntimi nye juma. Oh, yeah, giant as already. And the men can say, Obiu anadwi. Whose negligence is that? It is your negligence. You have to go to jail. Anything you could uncle so, come on, brain coach, and come to jail. Because a Juma, your schedule, there will be at the time also be Juma. Into about 2:30 to 4:30. Nipa ewiye, Abrana Unuwa. You go to jail because you deliberately neglected your office. That is how it works. They be able to condition of service. Muntia eka ye kwasi afo mu ye adwuma sa na mbuofu ye nte ase. See o oban obi an mpena. One de mo bae. Mo nurse for doctors am mo gays. Ne gay partners no more. Do your job. Let him deal with his own issues. Mo tete hospital ho ye tumi de obi ba na owu obi nyam na mo twemo na ase. Not all of you, but majority of you, that's your sense of entitlement. Utumi so obi hiamwa na nurse ni twini na ase. Enkwasiasam ogwakape hey na adepapa be pa na munkosua lo school a ye hu bi da mombre mu wase ne ye ne etua mo kama mba nipa. Get up and go work. Your lazy asses, they be able to excuse not to work. Get the fuck out and go work. Munko ye adwuma ene ne de chekere man no na yesi hospital there na yesi hospital adwuma be ye ho fa so ne be si hospital no se wia mo ye nurse for abugu konfonochi mo ye doctors a mo nya akronfo mo mu bi enya azan na mo ya anka mo ye demonstration etia say adenti na MPP aban no NC edien MBA se wia no ade no mo MBA edien afari for 8 years you people could not go and demonstrate there say adenti na aban MBA NDC de ombobodwa omagimi enti obi abeka na adwene mo tena Kumasi 8 years otumfo said to be butu nipa nim te sa akwara obutu Ghana fo nim te se akwa osre 10 Ghana adan odukoto taos okonfo anoche na mugu say nwan you didn't see it man fere am otumfo were you people not ashamed and there 2 years abai sesan ya ye nte ase see why bibi ye nkwa adwuma my lucky my lucky papa me Nyankopon na me politics so I speak politics but I will never get involved in active politics now because me be a politician say me politician I urade Nyankopon me be a politician na maba na obi gina say Mr. Minister we are not going to work because you have sacked our CEO me say get me the letter me a minister me a health minister me aid di mechia dismissal letter kutano. The aka said would be show na sign a gufa mu me do am say yes why are people not working? Yes please the reason is that we are sitting here our CEO what is your name Elizabeth Nkrumah put it in come and sign papa go home please why are you not me na dey no bet my pamo da kwasi aso na oba page money oba no oni eye dey CEO na mobile interview bom president never CEO na ohobi do your job as a nurse me say my minister yes Kevin tell the health minister me ba long sleeves my bobo me need time for suit me nya ade omo ba omo di mechi me edi odi mechi file kakraka o chegoku bako adan dismissal letter nko ade gum the aka ne wudi ni signature me ba am say yes is everybody okay why is this air conditioner not working? Where's the maintenance manager? Mr. Nkrumah why the air conditioner say and yesterday put his name there give it to him pass prepare another one for another maintenance manager. Who is me sakina me become gum because if I was so your job is to maintain the hospital. Your job is to clean the hospital. Your job as a nurse is to me banner and far because I've paid you. Haven't I paid you? I've paid you. So I bind the muka na ma femo to yantia condition of service dia ndian na edi nyina mamo na eduru chamba edwuma na mbeka kire se munim nyansa chen nipa me akọ ewurade me say nka me minister health minister de bia mo edi mienu ba ko ya dismissal ba ko ya applique recruitment and two no mudi bechi dismissal ne fa no say tie nie recruitment no ne fa say tie ni me do am say yes what's happening here? I can see people are sitting and the bathroom too is choked and what's going on here? Who is in charge of the bathrooms? Also, Ofori, where's Ofori? What's happening, Ofori? The first bathroom is dirty. This one too is dirty. This one, there are no toilet clothes. What's going on? Oh, say so we wrote the letter. Hey, give him what's his name and signature. Thank you very much. No, my son, give me who is ready to work. Yeah, fire. Mumutimu with the Ghana ho. Mumusa Ghana from Jabro, so Sanquas Sama will be my Mumusa Munyano Mugu Abruji, no more nurse for the say. Sanquas Yasabu, your moment to my Abruji. Say, Yapam is CEO Dimin Juma. And Kedoba young quine, go Yadoba young quine the same day, Yadoba young quine. Me, sack, I made the rough. And come from a sack minister. No, Mr. President, open sack minister by family. I would have a humanist ministry by ministry, I mean, sack. I labor law ne de o border e wodwuma ya house labor law court ya be hia wo ho me de no answer me so no pa no betuka na me nam Miura housing ministry okay, but Miura ho. Miura say hello. What's happening here? I mean, hello. Hello. Is everybody fine? Thank you. Oh, Mr. Nkrumah. Oh, Mr. Martin, come. The last time I came here, they said the garage they were going to fix it. Why? Oh, sir, you know, give me sack, take, go, bring another person, recruit, put. And I'm wanting. Oh, sir, please, my near Queen, they sack now. Until next time, I'm going to say, Minister, I'm going to be a fresh, clean, finchum. Yet it's Ghana na Jimmy. Yet it's Ghana. Mama me sack minister. I want to come home with you Ghana. Now I go for Bush. Me mente Ghana. Sack minister. Me mente America. Me about 2 weeks biya. Into me ba me feel go for Bush. Paying banner. You know. If we are said there. Oba from Kuma yam fumunja. And I correct you. And it good. Now so sankwasi abe. Into me mente America. 2 weeks biya na ba Ghana. Biya me juma na ma safu plane. Into me for Bush. Paying. Wa sorry paying ba me feel. Me unia Kevin. They say ni anymore. And korabre wa unim. Da bi. Me nim sa ade bi ti abrochire. Me ba 2 weeks sack gwa me wian my exchange papers na me call. Mr. President, make me sack minister. I want to go. Oh yeah, Mr. President, what office are me? Mr. President, yes, Mr. President. Mr. President, do you have to Mr. President, Sanka one lot of office are me one day want to give me yes, Mr. President. Have you where's your tea? How many teacups do you have? Mr. President, it was 5 years. Now, did you break one, Mr. President? Now your next month's salary, put it down, or else Mr. President grab it there. Now che me Jubilee what's the president great Johnny? I sack minister ba. Intervasa na you be change me din you be Mr. Saki. We ti na twimi. You be change me din I'm from Mr. Kevin Taylor biom. Mr. Saki is here. Mr. Saki, yes. Oh, yeah, Mr. Saki, how are you? Mr. President Mahama. Oh, yeah, Mr. Saki president. Eh, Saki minister. You be change me din Mr. Saki. Mr. Buti Jubilee adu me wura ho. Yes, hello, everybody. Chief of staff. Yeah, Mr. Chief of Staff. How are you, Mr. Julius? Also good. Where do you go? Oh, we are coming from jogging. Okay. Have you taken your shower? Yeah. Did you use too much water? Also, no, 2 minutes. It's okay. Then you can stay. Chief of Staff, crack where jogging. No, by the way, I went to sack. Say, why? Chief of Staff, you are going to jogging. Why did you go and bath at home? Why are you bathing here? How many letters? One can answer me a sack. Mr. Yes, hello. Where's the finance minister? Mr. Finance. Or then say, member fancy somewhere. I to become fancy. Mr. Saki about become fan. Oh, me no micro echo fancy. Say, honorable, be able to let me see the books. Let me see the books. Mr. Ambassador review. Ni say Mr. Pamono no. Mr. Force, hey, Ato, right? Okay. This one looks good. But there's another one here that I'm not seeing clearly, Mr. Ato. What going to do this? There's a Mesaku this year. Where's Haruna? Yes, from school when I was coming. Mr. Saki Basak. What is the Ghana and the association with Jimmy Mo? Meko. Eh, Yane, everything you do, we will sack you. Mr. Saki. Anything a crow me pay myself no. Oh, where did it go? A crow back we na me bomb video. Everything you go do, we go put you for jail inside.
Right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses, you right to jail. You undercook fish, believe it or not, jail. You overcook chicken, also jail. Undercook, overcook. You make an appointment with the dentist and you don't show up, believe it or not, jail, right away. We have the best patients in the world because of jail. Right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses, you right to jail. You undercook fish, believe it or not, jail. You overcook chicken, also jail. Undercook, overcook. You make an appointment with the dentist and you don't show up, believe it or not, jail, right away. We have the best patients in the world because of jail.
Mr. Saki. Hey, me say me nam krom kura na me to say my bad government institution na mo kan team ho. I say my abenkwan. I say my BB still be na asase sack. Hey, na I na mo yes to or government institution na na they say me start sack Mr. Free Jubilee House. It would say maybe out in Kokoro and say, hey, Mr. Saki. Owura Jubilee was Saki pa 5 there. Next time about what they are utiate. Owura Jubilee, Mr. President, how are you, Mr. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Saki said, so no, Mr. President. Where are your teacups? Also, bring it and let me count. About my kind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Mr. President. Okay, where are the fox? Making kind of fox in the teacup. Mr. President, Mr. President, what? I want the one they have written a property of government of Ghana. Why is that one not in, Mr. President? Also, Mr. Saki, Mr. President. I want to watch Mahama so Papa. Mr. President, Mr. President, we gave you 18 cups for coffee. We gave you silverware 63. Right now, we have counted there are 63 though, but there's one inside. They have not written property of Ghana. So it means one is Mr. President account. Oh, so when I went to Belarus, you went to Belarus and what? So when we were taking my things, one of them was in the trouser. So Mr. President, where is the spoon? Ninya live TV, Mr. President. So where is the spoon? So Mr. Taylor, Mr. President, check the way. So Mr. Saki. So I want to say I want to say Lodina and Eddie. Oh, Mr. President, they're distant the fork. We say thank you. Lodina said my family crew into air fast or the fork. So thank you. First lady, is everything fine? Also good. First lady, I'm coming there. Do you have groceries at home? They heard you went to buy yam and tomatoes. Where did you buy the tomatoes? The one at GBC. The carrot, did you buy the GBC one, the one that grows overnight? Or also, Mr. Saki, we bought it at where is Mrs. Lodina from? Oh, from Kintampo. Which market, please? Which market? Me present. Una what Kofana just said. What is a Mr. Saki background? We do our 10 times, Mr. Saki ba. Ya mumi anko enim. Modi amuni mutimu ya modi ogara kan kwasi asem ye ko strike. Akando, Saki omuni anko enim. 2020 no pamento. Yeah, ye wuti na se wonti ase. Mr. Saki. My name is Kevin Akobedi Taylor, aka Mr. Saki. Me pamo sisi a. Say no na me no hayo. Now, this is another story, very important to us. Egigim. Bawumia to announce alternative policy response to cocoa sector challenges. Yes, see. Malam. Ospeli free ni ma malam. Ospeli free chile malam. Yes, see. Nege po. Negative, positive. Sada ba uye freno. So, malam Bawumia. Malam ni M-E-L-L-A-M. And I was spelling malam be free chile so L-M-E-L-L-A-M. Iti Bawumia wa nege po. Negative, positive. Yeah. Yes, see MPP 4. Starting anti cocoa asino. There's so much report after cocoa visitation. No? So Bawumia said they are going to derive a policy from the cocoa visitation. Omwe Jimmy too. Wemu. Oh, unsa na munanam cocoa ase. Edi nkwase sem edi canopy. Sem ka se Bawumia na tua ni nyina o. Sa de na no boye no. Na Bawumia na fande. Oh, then another problem na kokwa si Jimmy omo. Ye ntiase e den. Ye se sa de nya na Bawumia se omonkoye no omomo ni nyina no. Na ono Bawumia no. Onye policy mfiri mumra. Enti omakoye handing over the Bawumia se. Oh, Mahmudu, Malam. Ye kwa around the whole country no. Sebio eye koko nsama ekohu ye ni nyina ba. Wo na onim nyansa ye the policy. Party mu nyina de onim nyansa no nie. Ye se ondane koko yi ni policy we. The whole MPP on the nim nyansa.
The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Agbogboloshi. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa ubejari enti ya besi bath houses so akaho Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa ubejari enti Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa ubejari enti ya
Esther Tano ka se lojun so kwa me nkruma. Oshofugu do kuta paper. Ujare na go toilet a obejare ugina stage kasa asem we free wanoba. Say a man for anywhere omejare or say ebusan in the question form. O sore na go toilet a obejare ente saa. Just say ebi ni won say o say the question mark abetua to. Akwa weni bini. Bawumia nyanchon. We busy toilet we questions are the question mark atua to. I o sore na ujare a obeni ente saa. Like how? Now the whole MPP where the name answer we your man the president is so windy. You're the you don't know. Now it's so interesting, say Mahama Bawumia MPP 4 ese omako the whole Ghana akofa koko for hunsem nyina e de abreba Bawumia say onu mum derive eye de policy free mumra. Now Bawumia oye koko expert. Bawumia, when did he say he's an agric expert? When did Bawumia say, like, the Juma dia about politics, the man about politics, they say, Koko Juma. Bawumia, when did Bawumia tell us, say, he is an expert in finding solutions to our cocoa problems? When? In 2024, Bawumia, Yebusan question say, Koko for under Ekufuado, mo bre omusu. Mu real musika Bawumia se onim se koko for a problem. Na sata we di president for 80 years. Ye busa no 2024 say Mahamudu koko for a problem. Ye nyina ye hu. Ma ban iba ye ma di koko for sika nyina. Eka esam ho enye sam ekaketwa. Mo anka no kran kire koko for eka ma sa bo ato Ghana so syndicated loan amokoji ya mudi ye de campaign. Unim se koko for bre. Mahamudu Bawumia gina Ghana for nu ka say ono on that onim se koko for crowd problem on onim Mahamudu.
Do you believe Cocoa Board has collapsed? And what is your plans for Cocoa Board? I don't want to go deep. Thank you.
Cocoa Board is on the verge of collapse. I'm not aware of that, but we'll look at that. It's on the verge of collapse. I'm not aware of that, but we'll look at that.
Do you believe Cocoa Board has collapsed? And what is your plans for Cocoa Board? I don't want to go deep. Thank you.
Cocoa Board is on the verge of collapse. I'm not aware of that, but we'll look at that. I cannot comment on that. It's not. I don't know where the data is coming from.
For the cocoa farmers, and all of this increased cocoa output.
Do you believe Cocoa Board has collapsed? And what is your plans for Cocoa Board? I don't want to go deep. Thank you.
Cocoa Board is on the verge of collapse. I'm not aware of that, but we'll look at that. I cannot comment on that. It's not. I don't know where the data is coming from.
Do you believe Cocoa Board has collapsed? And what is your plans for Cocoa Board? I don't want to go deep. Thank you.
Cocoa Board is on the verge of collapse. I'm not aware of that, but we'll look at that. I cannot comment on that. It's not. I don't know where the data is coming from.
Jack, I see we see a time. Jack, I call the president 8 years. You busan say Cocoa Board. Unim say goo under you. Okay. I'm not. Okoka was saying he does not see the data. This is 2024. Now, my dear, interesting. Time and now all the resource, the voice, sitting in cabinet for 8 years. He did not know anything about Cocoa Board. It's interesting. Yen him say Nanado Dankwe Kufuor or Agove or a toy president. They be otitin the tone here not no ada. And we all knew he was not active. He was not somebody who can reason. Nothing was working. Now, we knew Bawumia in 2024. He was basically running the government. Yebusa Bawumia about Cocoa Board, Cocoa for situation also onim. Obianka bibi chense Cocoa Board kura bre Cocoa for bre. Ono mo mfa sa asem nton chen because onya data bia. Asem Bawumia ka kire you know. Now interestingly, Bawumia ba opposition NDC abayaba oma be di no kura kire kokofo ekuafo mu nyansa ama jatum say eye ewiase sikasam ene koko hu ntensem no ama ewiase koko bo nyina kofomba NDC aban oba ebibrem ha omo no mutua koko abodin pa oba koko boto baako a eye ebibrem ha eye Africa ha Ghana ne tua kese ama koko ekuafo dodo no ama be hu no kura na jatum. Interestingly, and Mahmoud Bawumia ehu koko for problem nyina o say me catch say a squirrel will always be a squirrel, a clown will always be a clown. Because on say MPP for no omu hu say yani Ghana for ni Jimmy. That's how Oma forced Bawumia to believe. Now suddenly omu this report to come about Bawumia say oh ya nanti koko asi nyina te senkra ntie ya konya report na je na converting into policy no e hona Bawumia ni omudi ankomo na e hona Bawumia be kire mo koko senya koko for emu problem wo after suddenly Bawumia be hu koko for problem abe hu koko for solution to their problem. Enya wanwa a few months ago, you put us a unim cocoa board for problem cocoa for or so nim. Yeah, the better position says here we winning na Mumiko Bawumia, we who cocoa for problem na this Bawumia.
Do you believe Cocoa?
What I'm looking at with the presentation of this report is to take this report, this select committee report, to the policy committee on agriculture, food security, and agribusiness. That is the policy committee. And we are going to ask this committee to technically review the findings of your report and do the consultation with the experts in the area on the committee, and then bring policy alternatives.
It's just Bawumia is a gecko. Bawumia is a chipmunk. He's basically talking about policy. You see, the NPP make in 2017 about power no. When say every year be no more word on you see. Because most of the people who follow the NPP are foolish. Because about power 2017, where don't start to use it social intervention. And I'm like, yeah. Now, social intervention yadeba. Afe social intervention the call for and on start to use some other word. Omo every season bia ne emwa omunya omo. MPP is basically an animal farm. But also omunya season by season. And almost season bia ne emwa omunya. And at a point, omu free social intervention about policy. Oh, give us one policy. NDC does not have policy. Then you ask an MPP person, what is the meaning of policy? And we have policy. And I'm saying, what is it? You said the report about me. Oh, we are going to give it to the policy. What is policy? What is policy? Policy, they say, Omo amote around Paulugu Dam. Dam ni aye. Insua bem. Farmers need to be good with so. Emwano enya insua no manipa so nya insu papa no. That is policy. And one no policy no. Policy in the saying, policy in the say, 10 year Korabia or Westrim. Sebio, wedi 14, 15 years, Obetumako school, Ako SS, now waba and crying. Now Obia be repuno, now Ako Srema making sure say we be a school papa ho. Wama Korana papa in Jumaye through Sada. Nanda papa in Jumaye, Utumasha Kwamanako school, no atwaso, and the policy. The idea should reflect and change lives positively. Policy is saying, policy is about bemu. Na Ghana for school for Omoko University. Oma for Huchiromo. No, I say, Miss Somerson, mo first year. Memma Musikebia, Mohobe Hahamwa, Moa Mawfo, more Omo Bra Mutimbuamno, Yabema school, Sikebia, every that first year, Yabeto, and if any intervention, a uniper free or here, and your haumu, and that's it. You can say a policy ne say we see hospital na opin phobia to be wuram na wa wafa no wafa ne ba na wada ne nyame ase na waka say aban we de e aban amepe and na fe policy. Eti MPP for they don't understand what policy is. It's just the word. Eti Mahmoud Bawumia to me ko gina stream na oye campaign. Now I catch the MPP for say every village will get a dam, every constituency will get 1 million. Then MPP will say that is a policy. That's not a policy. That is a political talk. There was no thinking behind it. Into MPP for they see this as policies.
Transformation of this country. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo is going to bring about a real transformation of this country. After 4 years, you will not recognize. We are going to bring in policies that are going to bring development to our people. Nana Akufo-Addo has said that if you look at this country, the money is there for development, but it stays up, it doesn't come down. The money is there, but it stays up, it doesn't come down. We are going to make sure we bring in a new economic model and make sure the money will come down to our villages for everybody to get that share of the money. We are so we are going to make sure the money comes down. We are going to take a portion of our development budget to $75 million and make sure we share it to every constituency in Ghana. So Bunkurugu constituency, every year from 2017, every year without fail, you are going to get the equivalent of 40 billion old cities, $1 million for your development. Every year without fail. We have to help farmers. To help farmers, we have to make sure that tractors are available, that fertilizers are affordable, that weedicides are affordable, that there is water to farm. So we are going to make available for every district a mechanization center. There will be tractors that will help farmers to farm. We are going to make sure the cost of fertilizer is down. But most importantly, we are going to make sure every village that needs a dam, we are going to construct a dam for every village that needs a dam. One village, one dam. One village, one dam. One village, one dam. And that is the way we are going to bring budget to $75 million and make sure we share it to every constituency in Ghana. So Bunkurugu constituency, every year from 2017, every year without fail, you are going to get the equivalent of 40 billion old cities, $1 million for your development. Every year without fail. We have to help farmers. To help farmers, we have to make sure that tractors are available, that fertilizers are affordable, that weedicides are affordable, that there is water to farm. So we are going to make available for every district a mechanization center. There will be tractors that will help farmers to farm. We are going to make sure the cost of fertilizer is down. But most importantly, we are going to make sure every village that needs a dam, we are going to construct a dam for every village that needs a dam. One village, one dam. One village, one dam.
This is to the NPP. This is what they call social intervention policy. So to the NPP, you see, so when they get the opportunity, Sana Bawumia Kachomo, yeah, policy. All the things they were saying, and then no policy, no. But you see, when they came to power, they could not implement one. A talk, a rhetoric. It's just talk. MPP for this Jimmy. And then I was starting, oh, you know, we are going to take this to the policy committee. And policy, what is policy? What is policy? You come to power. We are teniba. Unim de esi on tafo krum. Ababi de sadabaye. Say nkofo nua enya mmoa na mutumi nya sika nkoma no na mutumi hwa momba wo school. Oba power. Sada ena do nua ba beto so na dane no NDA ena ugu no. Uwie na oso obesi hostel won kran. Wo nananom ne nuanom ma na omugu sirem no. Omumra nkran medem na omunya kayayu. Are you not foolish? Is that a policy? I keep telling people or MPP so they use words anyhow because the most educated person in the MPP went to JSS. They are the foolish masses. They are not intelligent. Until every day they play with them. They use words. They don't even understand what policy is. You don't have to say it for us to see. It is the work you put in. You don't have to tell me what the policy is. The work that you put in, what I will get out of it, what the Ghanaian will get out, what the taxpayer gets out of your intentions, their wisdom, the idea, no, that is policy. So it is about the work you put in and what we get out of it. The positive things we get out of it is the policy. So if it does not yield any result, that idea, no, if it does not yield any good result to help the taxpayer, it's never a policy. So you don't necessarily have to open your mouth and say, this policy, this policy. It is the work you do. The end game, the end result of the job, of the work is the policy. Anything that will be to me ba or say I want to do this. I didn't think I'm a person me see school. I didn't think I'm a person me see hospital. I didn't think I'm a person me a big push. The big push is that I was say Ghana and you connect Ghana no. Okay, the idea is there. How is it going to work? Now the country is under construction. What are they doing? They are doing express road. They are doing highways. They are connecting rural areas to central, whatever. What are they doing? The end game is that we will be able to bring our produce from the farms quicker. We will be able to travel faster. We will be able to, at the end of the day, make sure that goods and services move quick. It is basically to move the economy, expand the economy for things to move swiftly. Protect human lives. That is the big push. So that's the policy. But until it's a reality, until the people see, say, what took our every in crime, with for highway, be swako system, a branch or the 3 days, or the 1 day, that is a policy. So it's the end game. What comes out of the idea? The formulation of the idea is one, but the end game, what that idea yields, what it brings out, what at the end of the day, the people benefit from, and then they find a policy. So when it comes to government, I get them say, one district, one dam, you are a fool. You have no idea of what you were talking about. One constituency, 1 million. Near Vienna constituency could not boast of even 100,000 Ghana. You are an idiot. When you could not build one hospital, when you tell me you are going to change the health sector, when you tell me you are bringing free SHS, you could not build one E-block, then you are a fool, because that's your idea. The formulation of the idea could not yield results. It's the end game that matters. It's not where you yield the idea from. Any fool can think. Any fool can come up with ideas. But it's about going through, seeing through it, working through it for it to benefit the taxpayer. So the end product becomes the policy. So at the end of the day, any politician can talk, but those that are remembered are the ones who work to make sure the end product benefit its citizenry. And it's they be a try say their word into Bawumia baby, the policy, any fool can say a policy. But the fact of the case is, how has your idea, the formulation of the idea, resulted in policy? Because you were in power for 8 years. We saw how this country was run through the mud. But you made noise about policies. You spoke symposia and symposiums. You insulted everybody. You fooled around. You did all the jokes. But when you were given the job to do, you moved the dollar from 3 to 17. Petrol from 0, from 4, whatever, to 23. Everything was going south and north. We couldn't even understand how. So we are tired of a policy. In 2017, when Bawumia came to power, first time about power,
that we make sure that happens. We've put in place a very first-class economic management team. I would even say world-class, because the Minister of Finance, the very known Wall Street banker, investment banker, really high achiever. The former Minister of Finance, who is deputy vice chair of the economic management team, Yao Safo, he was voted at one time the best finance minister in Africa by the World Economic Forum, and many others. They're just a solid, capable group of individuals who have come together to manage the team, and we meet every week without fail. And so we have a laser-eyed focus on the economy, and we are taking decisions and making sure we monitor what is going on.
This is 2017. Oh, policy, economic management team. Oforiata is what he said. He's a Wall Street banker. I think that's what I catch. Oh, Mafu, Anotintin, you know, he was once voted as the best Africa finance minister. Kwasiakiko and Kwasiakikanization. Say, I want you to no marginalize Vietnam war. Oh, about power, no. We have a laser eye focus on the area na than Terminator deck. Area na than we for shade. Laser eye now than we for space. And these are people, and the MPP are still stuck to this old principle, old strategy. Oh, we'll give it to the policy group to think about them. Say what they're really serious. Kwame Amwako share policy. Don't if they're Kwame Amwako here no. And so we are going to hand it over to the policy committee. And policy committee, I'm not why mo. Kojo Ponkroma. Policy committee, I'm not why. Hey, Oseche Mensa. Oseche Mensa be the MP. How many years? Osi toilet dying. Oseche Mensa Bosu. O the MP be 30 years. Swame. A bini dying or choir campaign. Toilet dying. Oseche. I wish I see this. Oseche Mensa Bosu. Me will be a terminal report to her. Oseche Mensa was not the head of committee. Toilet dying. And Okojina Swame and all the campaign. So we see toilet dying. Oseche Mensa Bosu. On the policy analyst.
Nabia na NDB ajanabia na see abrosan ajanabia kra o magazine minianom mumma ni na ho wompe we na dia na wo pe wompe we ade na wo pe aka na numpe ne akoto aba na NDB ajanabia na see abrosan ajanabia kra o magazine minianom mumma ni na ho wompe we na dia na wo pe wompe we ade na mope aka na numpe ne akoto aba na NDB ajanabia na yesi abrosan ajanabia kra o magazine minianom mumma ni na ho wompe we na dia na wo pe wompe we ade na mope na NDB ajanabia na yesi abrosan ajanabia kra o magazine minianom mumma ni na ho wompe we na dia na wo pe.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Usu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,